The State Patrol is investigating after a contractor was killed in a construction zone in the South Metro. Happened during the morning commute near the intersection of 35W and Highway 13. It was inside the work area. Gordon Severson joins us now with the latest on this investigation. Gordon?
Yeah, Rena, hundreds, if not thousands of vehicles drive by this 35W construction project every day, but the State Patrol says it was a construction truck inside the work zone that hit and killed a 29-year-old construction worker who was here working on the project. For the people who live near the 35W construction project in Burnsville, it has been a frustrating summer.
Very, I'd say, chaotic in a way.
Brian Peterson often walks by the construction site. Wednesday morning, he noticed Sky 11 flying overhead, and he assumed it was a news crew working on a story about the project.
I thought they were doing the updates on how far along they are.
But then he learned a construction worker died. The State Patrol says he was hit by a boom truck while he was walking inside the construction site.
So unfortunate.
It's just awful to hear that.
Jerry Sisk is a personal injury lawyer who sees a lot of cases involving construction workers.
Majority of them are, the soft tissue injuries, sometimes the orthopedic, broken bones, fractures.
He says fatalities, however, are rare. According to MnDOT, since 1960, only 36 MnDOT employees and 16 contractors have been killed while working on the highway.
Unfortunately, it's gone down. Like it seems to be, a number that is, decreased.
Do your run. Yeah, there you go.
And even though nearby residents like Brian can't wait for the road to be back open, he's hoping the construction team takes some time off to process this tragedy.
Just all the death we've had just in Minnesota alone this year is just too much.
Now, the State Patrol is investigating to learn more about how this accident happened. I did reach out to the construction company that is working on this project, but I have not received a reply at this time. Back to you.
All right, thank you, Gordon.